Good evening, Jamins. Good evening.
Good evening. Yes. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Yes.
So,
Happy Independence Day.
Okay, happy Independence Day. Good evening, all, and happy Independence Day. Happy to see you all in this pandemic lockdown and actively participating event management team, whatever they're conducting the games. A lot of games they are conducting for the children as well as the adults now. So, this is one of the great experience for us also, being conducting games online, sitting in home. Okay, this is one I will hand over to Lakshmi Madam and Anuradha Madam to carry on this event. And I wanted to wish all of them to get winners for this participation. Okay.
All the very best. Have fun. What is gibberish? Can anyone suggest some answers? Gibberish?
A word or phrase has to be corrected, which is given in the AR effect filter.
Yes. Especially the sound. Okay, before we get into the actual round, I will give you one example. Slide. The questions are in my mobile, ma'am. I will just show it to you. Okay, this is the first question. The answer is also there. Let's try to guess. Puna ma'am, your time starts now.
Time over.
Saturday. Spell the word, please. Spell the word, ma'am. Saturday, you told me, no?
Saturday.
Correct answer. Saturday.
Sound
Yeah, the sound. You have to guess the sound. Saturday.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Full points, ma'am. Anu, ma'am. Yeah. Second question. Rekha ma'am and family.
Ready?
Ready, ma'am? Ready, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Rekha ma'am. Ready? Your time starts now. TikTok. Correct answer.
Spelling T-O-A-H-K, right?
Yes.
T-A-A-H-K.
T-A-A-H-K.
T-A, right? First one.
Yes, ma'am. T-A, yes. Then there is a space and then A-H-K.
Talk. Yeah, time over. Talk.
Talk. Correct answer. T-A-L-K. Talk. Anita, ma'am. Nice. Oh. Clear screen. Vandana, we will start the timing. Please wait. Your time starts now.
Clear. Sir? Sir?
Time's up.
Here, sir.
I think the pronunciation is right, ma'am. Can you spell the
Sir.
word?
Sir.
Spelling.
S-I-R. Sir, right?
No, ma'am.
Here, S-H-E-A-R. Shear.
No, ma'am. bonus question. Yeah. Pass on question வந்து next team போட்டுமா? We will start from the beginning. Next team only, no?
Yes,
Bonus
yes.
points.
Yes.
Okay.
Nisha.
This question is for Anita ma'am. So bonus points for Nisha ma'am. Nisha ma'am, can you answer this question? Yes. The same one.
No idea. Pass.
Time's up.
And Nisha ma'am, Prabhati ma'am, same question.
Is it share? Share. S-H-A-R-E, share.
No ma'am.
Seer. S-E-E-R, seer.
No ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Nagalakshmi ma'am. Bonus points. 2 points for you. You answer this, you will get 2 points.
Is it clear?
Clear? No ma'am.
I don't know.
Okay. Poona ma'am.
Can you show the phone? It was very blurry.
Actually, the spelling itself is not visible.
Can you write it in the paper and share?
Yes ma'am, I'm writing it. I am writing it. Yes. Just one sec.
I thought it is CLEAR. Yeah.
It's a KL.
Share.
C-E-R-E.
Audible, little audible.
Ear.
KL. C-A-R-E.
No ma'am. No. Rekha ma'am, your choice now.
Share. No.
Oh, Nagalakshmi, it's over for you.
Okay.
Rekha ma'am. Okay then. Next, Kavita ma'am.
Can I try?
Sure. S-H-E-A-R.
Now it's open. Yarana guess panna.
Cheer, Raman.
Sure.
Share.
Correct answer. Yaar
C-H-A-I-R.
S-H-A-R.
C-H-A-I-R. Furniture. Yeah, furniture.
Nice one.
Nice.
Okay, ma'am. Next one is the yellow with background, yellow with black font. So it might be visible for you. If it is not, then I will write it down.
Okay, next one is for
Question you
Nisha.
ask, ma'am. I think Nisha ma'am.
Nisha.
Nisha ma'am.
Okay.
Please wait. Your time starts now. Wait.
I don't know. Pass.
Ma'am.
It's
Prabhati
Prabhati
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's white people. White.
Correct answer. Yeah, white people. WHITEPEOPLE. White people.
White people.
Bonus points for Prabhati ma'am. The actual question is for Prabhati ma'am. Correct? Yes.
Yes.
Ready ma'am? Prabhati ma'am.
Yes.
Once again. Yeah. Ready? Start. Time's up. Okay.
Correct answer.
Correct.
As soon as possible.
Okay.
As soon as possible. Whole points. Nagalakshmi ma'am. Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Okay.
Yes, ready? Yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
Thanks,
your
Raj.
time
No, it's for
starts
me.
now.
Okay, don't answer.
Okay, time's up.
Correct answer, excuse me. These questions are the random answers. Whoever is raising their hand, they can answer. Random. Okay? Yes. You have to raise your hand.
Like this.
Okay? JMT volunteers, please watch out. Name call pannunga, then I will. Okay, ready? Nalashmi ma'am, Anita ma'am, mute panikonga. Please stay on mute. Nisha ma'am, please stay on mute. JMT volunteer will call your name, then you can answer, ma'am. 10 seconds, ma'am. Anu ma'am, just 10 seconds, not 15 seconds. Open questions. The time starts now.
How are you?
One more time, Anita ma'am. Yeah.
How are you?
Okay, spell it out.
HOWAREYOU.
Correct. Your time starts now.
Up. Poonam.
Poonam ma'am,
See you later.
wrong answer.
Next, Prabhavati.
Prabhavati ma'am. Ma'am, you're on mute.
See you later. Other answer. Once again.
One more time.
See you later.
Next, Anita.
See you later. See you later.
No ma'am. Ma'am, at the choice.
Anita.
Anita ma'am, yes.
See you all later.
Correct answer. See you all later. This L sound varudilla. See you all later. Yeah. See you all later. Bonus points. Okay. Next. Open question. Ready? The time starts now.
Stop. Nagalakshmi.
Nagalakshmi ma'am.
Please leave me.
Correct answer. Please leave me.
Not now.
Bonus points, ma'am. Yeah, the last question, open question in Gibberish challenge. First round. Yeah.
Kavita.
My swimsuit.
Stop. Kavita.
Huh?
My swimsuit.
Audio is now clear, ma'am. Just one more time.
My
Satama.
My swimsuit.
My
Spell பண்றீங்களா? Spell பண்ணுங்க கவிதா ma'am. Superb. Okay, this is a sentence. I will show you the example. English alphabets with English pronunciation, but the sentence formation. Please wait. Volunteer Anita ma'am, read பண்ணுங்க.
I come, welcome, go, you, they come.
Okay. A combination of sentence la there is no meaning, correct?
Yeah.
Even this has their own meaning. Came, then a calm. Okay, in sentence there is no meaning, there is no order, correct? Okay, I will show you the sentence just like this. Okay, we will give you 5 seconds to memorize these words. then it is a chance to answer it. You have to memorize this sentence. Okay, yeah? 5 seconds. Just within 5 seconds, you have to read and memorize and then answer. You have to repeat the same sentence. That was it. Okay, yeah? Okay, ready?
Lakshmi ma'am, is it the same sentence? We should not correct it?
No, no, you should not correct it. You should repeat it. That was it.
Okay, so we should not note down, just memory test.
Yes, should not note
Yes,
it
yes. Note it down within 5 seconds. The question will pause on, so please, participants, ready with your answers. Anu ma'am, time starts now.
Stop. Stop, stop, stop.
Puna ma'am,
Cold is with the monkey ears and toes.
correct answer. Cold is with the monkey's ears and toes. Rekha ma'am,
What should we do? We should just read it, huh?
yes ma'am, you have to memorize it and read it.
Okay.
You should not correct it. Rekha ma'am, we ready for you? Your time starts now.
Yes. Stop.
Yes, Rekha ma'am.
Cat eats sweet, today's Tuesday.
Wanna try again, ma'am? Just one more time.
Cat eats sweets, today's Tuesday.
No.
No. Cat
No, it's not
eats
right.
sweets, today's Thursday.
Okay, the question pass on to Kavita ma'am. Kavita ma'am.
Cats eat sweets. So today Tuesday.
Correct.
So,
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
so.
Cats eat sweets. So today is Tuesday. Okay.
okay, super.
Next you have one question, I think. Kavita ma'am, we are ready for you.
Start. Stop. Stop, stop.
Mute இருக்கீங்க கவிதா ma'am.
Unmute.
Yes ma'am.
Travel tips take away. Medical kit took away.
One more time. ஒரு try பண்ணுங்க.
Travel tips taken away. Medical kit take away. Right? Take on the
Okay, question pass on to Anita ma'am.
Travel tips taken away. Medical kit your way.
Correct answer. Travel tips taken away. Medical kit your way. Bonus points. Actual question goes to Anita ma'am. Next one.
Anita ma'am.
Anita ma'am. Your time starts now.
Stop.
Friends are basket, enemies are gasket, you and me casket.
One more time.
Friends are basket, enemies are gasket, you and me casket.
Correct answer. Friends. Ready ma'am? Your time starts now.
Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Unmute, unmute,
Ma'am,
unmute.
you're on mute.
Wishes are list trees. Our West Trust is best.
Superb. Correct answer. Wishes or list, trees or west, trust is best. Next question, ma'am. Pravadi, ma'am. Oh, yes, yes. Just one more. Ready, ma'am? Pravadi, ma'am. Ma'am, keep your volume open, ma'am.
Unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க பிரவாதி மேம். நிஷா மேம் கொஞ்சம் மியூட் போட்டுக்கோங்க.
Anu ma'am, ready? Yes. Pravadi, ma'am, your time starts now.
Attention, darks direction. Brushing light to attention, darks direction. Brushing lights to attention, darks direction. Brushing lights to attention, darks direction.
One more time, please.
Brushing
Slowly,
lights
ma'am.
to attention, darks direction. Brushing lights to attention, darks direction.
No, ma'am. Wanna try again?
Brushing lights to attention, darks direction.
No, ma'am. Just a small.
Brushing light to attention, darks direction. Brushing light to attention, darks direction.
Okay, ma'am. Can you please spell me the second word?
Brushing likes to, L-I-K-E-S, likes to.
No, ma'am.
Light, L-I-G-H-T, lights to. L-I-G-H-T.
Ma'am, no. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. Now, Rashmi, ma'am, your chance now. Bonus points. Okay, Poona, ma'am, bonus points.
Yes. Brushing liked, L-I-K-E-D, liked attention, dark direction.
Correct answer, bonus points. Brushing liked, E-D. Yeah, like to attention, dark direction. Yeah.
Next, Nagalakshmi ma'am.
Yeah, Navesh, ma'am. Yeah, okay. Participants are very serious. It's making me nervous. Like expecting question answers in the exam.
Hope I remember at least something out of this. Ma'am, you're writing so much.
Okay. Yeah, my handwriting should be legible, no? Okay, ma'am. Yeah, your time starts now.
Starts now.
Now show TV show cardio radio when I do studio.
Ma'am, don't read it out
Okay.
loud. Please wait until the time over. Yes.
Stop.
Now show TV show cardio radio when I do studio.
One more time, slowly.
Now show TV show cardio radio when I do studio.
Correct answer. Now show TV show cardio radio when I do studio.
Nice rap song also.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. The last one, it is open to all. Just only one open question. Yeah, anyone can answer. JMT volunteers, please watch out. Open question. Time starts now.
Stop.
Volunteer? Huh?
Poonam,
Poonam ma'am.
Nagakshmi, Anita. That is the order. Kavita.
Same. Poonam ma'am. Poonam ma'am, yeah.
My buddy wears hoodie is a foodie is always a kiddle. Kiddie.
One more time, ma'am. One more time.
My buddy wears hoodie is a foodies is always a kid. Kiddies.
Okay, ma'am. Correct answer. Okay, ma'am. Anu ma'am, scores ready பண்ணிக்கோங்க. I'm going to call you now.